For those who don't know, Toyota makes a metal oil filter housing for your Tacoma, and everyone should upgrade to this. This upgrade applies to people who do their own oil changes as well as people who take it to a dealer or an oil change place. These plastic oil filters are prone to breaking. It has happened so many times. Here are some pictures of some broken ones. Now the issue arises with this tool that you use to remove the filter. On the plastic one, everything here is made out of plastic. The tool is made out of metal. And if it gets stuck, all you do is you end up breaking the fins off, and then you can't remove your oil filter housing. Here's a look at the plastic housing installed. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that and replace it with this one. And here's an up-close comparison of the new aluminum part versus the original plastic part. They're really exactly the same in every dimension, except this one's going to be more durable and will never break on you. So we're going to put a filter in this and some seals, and we'll get this one installed. Here's the new filter housing installed. Again, it looks just like the old one. It's just metal. This is more of a peace of mind mod. For around $30, it's kind of a no-brainer. Additionally, if you just take this part in when you do an oil change at a dealer, I'm sure they'd be happy to swap it out, considering there's no additional labor involved. Hopefully that was some useful information for some of you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.